Hello guys. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope we're live as well. I'm watching and observing the charts right now. We have 3 minutes left. After that, we have interest rate decision coming up at 7 p.m. and then all of those big news as well. Press conference is at 7:30. So we have to be in front of the charts all the time, according to the the press section. So if you watch it right now, just in a bigger picture, this is 1 minute time from chart right now. I'm watching and observing, and there has been quite a bunch of possibilities or the probabilities I was thinking about could played out, could be going toward upper side, could be down the side as well. This is what it is I'm thinking about. Like this previous low could be the bottom on a price section. Who knows? We have like if you watch or just zoom out a little bit, this is 1 minute time frame chart. Maybe my live stream a little bit slow. Sorry about that, guys. But we have all of those bunch of highs. That could be the reason for the market to go toward upper side, and this high as well. This green line is a 4-hour time frame fairly gap. And for bearish case scenario, I was watching the price action for all of this in the morning session as well. It went toward upper side. I was from here. I was like looking for this high, those highs to be knocked off, and then it went down from here. It was remained sideways. This is a 15-minute time frame fairly gap. I was like it should have to hold and then go up. It was remaining sideways, and then rejection from the low level. It went down further, knocked this low as well. At this point, while it was trading inside this 15-minute time frame fair value gap, for the bearish case scenario, I was thinking about these lows are the reasons for the market to go down from here all the way toward low levels. And let's see if it go down from here toward all the low levels. And we have seen that market just go down, knocked these lows, did not knock this low, and right now is trying to go toward upper side from here. And we knew we have all of those highs. That could be the reason for the market to go toward upper side, but it is very important to understand that what could be the local bottom on a chart that market will not go below, and that point you can look for the market to go to trade toward upper side or maybe down the side as well. And if you watch out, I really wanted to go to more of a bigger picture time frame, 5 minute, 15-minute time frame as well. This is quite big week, by the way. The way market has performed on 15-minute time frame. Let's see, like, yes, we know that we have these lows in play. This low, which is much just market has created this low, and this monthly and weekly high as well, and already we are going toward downside. If you watch out like that, yesterday we have been going down, and the other reason for the market to be bearish is this inversion of this 4-hour time frame fairly gap, and even showing no intent to make a retest to this inverted 4-hour time frame fairly gap as well. Just show rejection from here, just go down, show rejection from this area, and then trying to go down. This is already a showing a weakness that market did not even go to this 4-hour time frame fairly gap to go to a downside. This shows complete weakness on our charts. In that case scenario, and we have those lows in play, which is just I mentioned these lows. In that case scenario, you can anticipate that market should have to go down from here toward low levels, and it should not have to go above any of the previous high on a per second. If you watch out, the previous high is this one, major high is this one. It should not have to go above this high, that technically speaking. This high as well, it should not have to go above this high as well, and it should have to from here. This is a 15-minute time frame fairly gap as well. From this range, it should have to go down toward low levels, try to knock all of those lows, which is what we are anticipating or expecting from the market to be knocked off. This is what it is like. In a more of a like concern, thinking about more of like a bearish case scenario. For the bullish case scenario on a market, like this is it is the probability is we're trading inside quite a big range. If you zoom out a little bit, this is a quite big range above this weekly fair value gap. And if you try to draw this fixed range profile, we're trading at below at the point of control and the value real of the range as well. It's a strong level of support, and from here we can anticipate a bounce toward upper side as well. Not only major bounce toward upper side we can anticipate, not only these local highs, but it could go all the way to this green lower level of this inverted forward out of fairly gap, or maybe upward level of this daily upper level of this forward out of fairly gap, or maybe if daily fairly gap as well, lower level, and all of those. Like we can anticipate a big price action move from here toward upper side from the market. Like if you can see like that, there's no denying about that. For the bullish case scenario, that may play. We have this fairly gap as well. I'm not highlighted this one, but this is the daily fairly gap as well we have highlighted. So these are the probabilities and the possibilities right now. So interested decision is out. We are late 2 minutes. So we are late 2 minutes. I think the most probably the most for it was forecast was that it will remain same. So yeah, they have not changed anything. So and we have seen this reaction from the market. Just went toward upper side, so rejection going down. Let's see for bearish case scenario. We have these lows and all of those major lows I have just mentioned you guys. Let's see, like because it has shown rejection from this range to continue to go down from here, but it is also possible that it could cut this. If for the bullish case scenario, maybe this could be the local bottom. And I wanted to see how 30-minute time frame market has performed, because we have 1 hour time frame close as well. I wanted to see 1 hour time frame close as well. This is more of like a speculation or something like that. Market may could go all the way toward low levels. Market may not go toward low levels as well. Quite a bit of possibilities or the probabilities we can anticipate from the market right now. Yeah, 4 hour time frame. Yeah, we have 1 hour and 15 minutes left. Yeah, we can be bullish as well for these highs, considering this high, this candle high. I'm not confident on. We can be bullish as well. There is no denying about that. So that's how it is. This is how it is. Like I'm watching and observing the charts right now. This like that, and we don't know which way market could go from here. We are just watching and observing the charts right now. We are just watching and observing the charts right now. The most volatility we will see on this today's live stream or the today's time frame will be on 7:30. 7:30 there will be press conference. The Powell will come out. They will talk to media, and then because of his words, market went up down. Like we could anticipate a bunch of volatility. For example, if it has to go down from here, because it has shown rejection from the 15-minute time frame fairly gap, should have to keep this fairly gap open, which will be great, and then tends to go down to now this low, inverting this level, this area as well. It is also possible that at this point it could create local bottom and then be bullish as well. We have a bunch of eyes on top of us. That could be the reason for the market to be bullish. Right now we're just watching and observing the charts, and if it remains sideways at this range, it will be highly likely that market is waiting for 7:30 close. Market is remaining. Look at this. This is very sideways price action up till now. Very slow, very choppy as well. It has done nothing because of the news as well, and it means it is waiting for the 7:30 news coming, which is coming up. And see, this is just 14:09 right now. Just on a bigger picture time frame, if I will try to explain again what is it we are anticipating from the market to perform on a bigger picture time frame. We have all of these highs, those highs. That could be the reason for the market to go toward upper side. These highs, that could be the reason for the market to be bullish. These lows could be the reason for the market to be bearish. Why market may go toward downside from here? The reason is we have been going down from here. This is the green line 4-hour time frame fairly gap. Market invert this 4-hour time frame fairly gap. It went toward upper side from here. Did not even show intent to go to this low, which is 4-hour time frame. You can say a retest, and then go down. Again, it tried to go to the upper side, but did not even show intent to go to this range, which is the low of the 4-hour time frame fairly gap. Create lower high again at this point, and it went down from here. Like, it is more like going down. This shows weakness on a chart, that it did not even wants to make a retest to this level of resistance. This shows weakness on a chart. It means that it really wants to go down. So in that case scenario, it should have to go down from here toward low levels. This is what is the previous high? Previous high is this one, which market has created on this 15-minute time frame candle. This one, it should not have to go above this high. This is the fair value gap. We just tapped into that. Right now going sideways, should have to go down. Inverting this fair value gaps, should have to knock this low and all of those local lows as well. It should have to do that for the bearish case scenario on a price action. Just on a bigger picture time frame, I'm anticipating that. For the bullish case scenario, we have all of those highs. This is the point of control and the value area low of the range. Right now, maybe this could be the low. Market may not wants to go down below this low. It just come down, make a back test to these lows, and then be bullish from here all the way toward upper side. Because this is a point of control and the value area of the range, which is a strong level of support, it is possible. And this is more of a, like, you can anticipate for the bullish case scenario, that kind of price action may play out on the upper side. And it is also possible that maybe market has to knock these two lows, then be bullish, which is unlikely to me. If it went down, it may be continue to be going down from here, or it is also possible that, so the possibilities, like, could be going down from here, could go yeah, could be going down aggressively from here, could be going to the upper side from here, could go down. Yeah, these are the two possibilities right now. Like, I'm really, this is the two possibility. Could be going really toward upper side from here, could be going really toward downside from here. If it went down below this low, I don't think so. It will be bullish. It will may continue to be bearish. If it went toward above this high, I don't think so. It will be bearish. It will be bullish toward upper side. So just could be aggressively going toward upper side. Could be aggressively going toward downside as well from here. So as it is going down, I'm anticipating or expecting from the market for the Bitcoin price to right now to go down from here. Should have to invert these 1 minute time frame fair value gaps and then go down from here. And if you watch out 4-hour time frame candle, it seems to me that this 4-hour time frame could be bullish. We cannot deny about that. The reason is market open went down, and then it could be bullish for this high, that high, that high. There is no denying about that, which is also possible from the charts. This is 1 hour time frame as well. We could be bullish. There is no denying about that. we could be bullish. But this is what it is. We have to figure out like if this is the local bottom, we don't know. If this is the local bottom, this should be the low. Market should not have to go below this low, and it should have to invert this fair value gap and then be bullish. Tends to be bullish. Try to knock all of those highs. This is what it is. Can I buy considering the fact that this could be the local bottom and considering all of those bullish case scenarios? After that, this low below this low will be a stop loss. Should have to invert this fair value gap and tends to be bullish, or should I have to wait for the market for 7:30 to give me a news? I think we should have to wait. If it has to be bullish from here, it should have to be aggressively bullish from here. Most of the time, guys, you will be sitting in front of the charts doing nothing, just watching and observing the charts. That's it. Most of the time, it will be like that. And there will be most of the time you will miss the move, you will miss the trade, you'll get nothing, you'll lose the money. Yeah, this will also always happen. If you do not think like that, you have to think. So there was very good trades this week. On Monday there was a very good buy trade. I missed the trade on Monday. I was at my job. I think so late in the night we had a trade, but I did not take the trade. I think so. I took trade on demo. Yeah, I took trade on demo, but it was break even on my original account. But after that, there was a trade. I did not take that trade. It still went to the upside on Tuesday. Yesterday was a very good shot. I did not could not be able to take any trade yesterday. I was completely distracted yesterday. I was off from the charts. I was watching, but that's how it is. Like most of the time, it is like that. So this is the thing I hate on myself. Like why I am continue to doing the same thing, same mistakes, repeating the same cycle again and again and again. So look at this, it is very choppy and very sloppy right now at the moment. So we can, and this the reason is market is waiting for 7:30 news. I think so. I think so. It is like that. It's not going up, not going down, very slow, very choppy. We could anticipate that. There is no denying about that. And there is something going on. Um, Trump is live as well. He's speaking something as well. It is completely sideways, bro. Completely sideways right now. So it's 9:30 right now. Oh, sorry, it's 7:30 right now, and within next 30 minutes we may anticipate or expect from the market quite a bunch of volatilities toward upper side, maybe downside. We have these lows as well. I'm not confident on these highs. I'm not confident on. We don't know which way it could go from here right now. So we are just sitting still and waiting and observing the charts right now. Yeah, you can say that this could be the high, this could be the low. There is no denying about that. Maybe market not to go below this low. On bigger picture time frame, it seems to me that market may not go below this low, considering 4 hour time frame. The way market has market may be bullish. The way this candle is has opened and then gone toward upper side. There is no denying about that. Well, these are the highs that could be the reason for the market to be bullish. All the way toward upper side, could go toward upper side all the way from here, could go down, just knock these two lows, then be bullish. Could go down, just knock these local lows, then be bullish. If this is the local bottom, could be going toward upper side from here for the bullish case scenario. And for bearish case scenario, maybe this could be the high. We have all of those lows and this low. It is going up from here, like from here. This is a 15-minute time we will get from here going down. And if it went above this high, hold this area, I will be bullish. If it went above this high, show weakness, then it may roll down as well, all the way toward low levels. So we are watching and observing the charts right now, sitting still, doing nothing. So it has shown again rejection from this 15-minute time frame low fairly gap. This is the second time market has shown rejection from this area. So it was going to up aside from here. It showed rejection from the 15-minute time frame fairly gap. Let's see, it has a potential to come down because it has showed rejection. This is a fairly gap. From here, come down to knock just these 2-3 lows or inverting this level for this low as well. Let's see it for the bearish case scenario, it do that, or maybe inverting this level above this 15-minute time frame fairly gap. We will be looking for the market to go to the upside higher levels. As long as we're trading below this range, we could be bearish, and we have seen a couple of time rejection from the 15-minute time frame fairly gap as well. So yeah, just watching and observing the charts. It's very choppy right now. Still, it is doing nothing really, by the way. Sorry about that, but it's boring. You can say that. I'm not saying anything as well. I'm doing something else. Like I'm using mobile right now, but it is very boring. It is boring, literally boring. Trading is always boring, and it will always be boring. I'm telling you guys, and yeah, that's how it is. It's very slow, very choppy right now, doing nothing on the charts, if you can see like that. And it has been continue to show rejection from this 15-minute time frame fair value gap. But I'm not confident of it. Just watching this, just zoom out a little bit. Watch 1 minute time frame highs and the lows. The highs are this one, there. I'm not at all confident on all of those highs. If it has been bearish, if for example considering all of those bearish case scenarios, this price action would have already been gone down because it is already gone down. Market should not have to remain sideways at this point, and it should have already have to be going down aggressively. Remaining sideways it means that market could be more of a like going toward upper side, or maybe take some time for the continuation toward downward side as well. But it shows weakness on downward side if it remains sideways. And we have those highs market has created. The sideways price action could be bullish right now. But so far, look at this rejection. Market has been continued to show rejection from this range. At this point, it is difficult to trade because you don't know at what point what high will be your stop loss. I'm not confident on all of those highs. Literally, like if I wouldn't. If I would first put my stop loss above this, I would have been not confident and consider from here go down. I would have been not confident. So that's why for me there's no trade. Yes, market has from here gone down, but for me, my stop loss was like would have not confident on putting my stop loss above those highs. So that's why for me there's no, yes, market has gone down, but for me right now there is no trade as we're watching and observing the charts right now. Let's see. This is what it is we was thinking about from here coming back down, knocking all of those lows. If this is the local bottom, from here market should have to create lower high and then be bullish, try to knock all of those highs. This is what it is I would anticipate or expect from the market. And it is possible that maybe market continue to be bearish as well, knocking this low, inverting these fair value gaps to this low, and all of those bearish price action we can anticipate or expect from the market as well. There is no denying about that. Yeah, it could be continue to be bearish as well. Who knows? As it is going down, I am anticipating or expecting from the market to be continue to be bearish because it is going down. That's why like we can't do anything. We can't do any trade right now. I cannot go to buy. I cannot go to sell right now. It is difficult, very difficult. It is difficult, yeah. Not that easy, man. Oh. I'm at my job right now. Like it's a 12-hour shift. Thank God. Like I'm can use mobile. I can use laptop. I can do whatever. And thankfully, thank God. thanks to God for the other reason is that I'm alone working here, that nobody's watching me, nobody's saying anything. So I do whatever I want. So what do I expect from God, or what more could I expect from yeah, from my job? Yeah, this is great job. Yeah, you're making money. You're doing your own stuff as well, which is good, right? What do you expect from from God or something else? Let's see market keep this favorable gap open, keep this favorable gap open, tends to go down for this low, and we have these favorable gaps as well. Maybe try to hold this area, try to go toward upper side, or maybe continuation toward downside. And cool. Oh my god, I hurt myself while eating. So yeah, it is going down. So it kept these favorable gaps open. Yeah. So I wanted to see this is the favorable gap as well. Just tap into that, and then we have 103, 103. We have a low in here. We have one low in here. This is the low. I'll be looking for 103, 300 approximately. After that, 102, 103, and 102, 700 as well. We'll be looking for to be knocked off. So there is no, I'm not feeling like I have missed any kind of move. You have not missed any move. If you're like, yeah, I don't think so. I've missed any move. What a chance. There are quite a bit of things I have to do, like apart from trading. So this is I was thinking about. look at this. This is what it is like. At this point, I was just thinking about like, should I have to just keep this open and then go down a bounce? We have seen that toward upper side. This is a 5 minute time frame for early gap. How would you feel at this point? Like if you have gone for a shot at this point, where your stop loss is not defined, and then you still manage to go down, but you have not taken profit on all of those lows. You're looking for further downside for a section. I was looking for further downside for a section, but it is getting bounced from here to upper side. Still, it could continue to be going down. There is no denying. But can you see the high from here? These highs very close to each other. These highs could be the reason for the market to go toward upper side. Yeah, there's no denying about that. First of all, I am looking for the market to go down from here toward low levels. This is what it is I am really thinking about from the market to perform. I think I should have to end this live stream, guys. We had a quite good time. It was very choppy. Look at this 15-minute time frame. After the opening, this market has done anything. 9:30, we started watching the charts at here. Were just up. This is very sideways, very choppy, and it is 15. It's more than 6 hours. Market has done nothing. 9 to 3 o'clock, 6 hours. Market has done nothing. We have news as well. We was waiting for news as well, but there's done nothing actually, and you can't do anything. And that's how it is. This is the part of the game, man. This is the part of the game, man. We can't do anything about that. And then as a trader, we should have to be content with it. And then the most important thing is, which is what I have learned, is whatever you do in your life, whatever you're doing, busy, not busy, your mind, your anticipation should be always onto the charts. And then at some point you will automatically get to know that you right now have to be really focused on the charts to get a trade, and definitely you will get to know that this is what you have to do for the to make a good trade or something like that. You'll automatically get to know if you're focused on charts. Do whatever you want to do, but you have to be in front of the charts for 24 by 7. You cannot afford to lose your focus on charts. And that's how this market actually is. Yesterday I missed moves. I'm cursing myself. This is how it is. It has been happening to me for like months and months. Like I repeat the same cycle. First, the day one, I'm focused on the charts. I have to do this. I have to do this. I have to do this. Everything is fine. I've worked hard. Yeah, which is good. Next day, woke up, forgot about everything, distracted, pissed off, and then do nothing, miss the move, miss the trade. The next day, same, focused, focus for a couple of days, 2, 3, 4 days. The fifth day, same thing. This has been happening and going on with me. That's how I'm stuck in a one place. If I put my mind into one thing that I really have to do, no matter what, like trading, I think I'm mentally quite strong right now. I think I'm mentally quite strong right now, but I really need to focus onto the things. this is what it is. Guys, as we have to think that trading is more about, I think it's not about technical. It's more about your mental capital, how mentally strong you are, how good you are observing the pressure, how good you are psychologically, and what do you know about news. That is these are the three things I think so. And how much focus do you are? Definitely, you need to have 100% focus on charts all the time, and then that's how you get the trading. This is what is for me. I'm mentally quite strong. I think so. What I used to be, but I'm not focused on charts consistently. And I put myself into that spot like you have to do this, you have to do this. I would be like, I think so. Within a month, I can start making money from trading. And this is the main goal for me as well. Right now, in my mind, they should be Bitcoin only. Yes, there's some other stuff that you have to do, but your priority should be trading only. Focus on yourself, believe on yourself, keep your heads down, and just do it. Just put your efforts on, put your minds on into one thing, and then you'll see the results. I feel myself like if I put my for 5 to 6 hours, or if like if for a whole day, I do anticipate the charts, and that for 5 to 3 to 4 hours in a particular time, I'm completely focused on a charts. I will make money. I think so. I'll make money. I'm feeling confident these days, but let's see if this confident remain continue, remain grow. We remain grow together. We remain mentally strong together, and that's the most important thing. This is the thing. I hope you guys get to know something. I hope you guys learn something. There are quite a bunch of things I'm thinking about right now. Really have to do, and yeah. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.